Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review at the Huck's World. And today we're going to be counting down the top 5 baddest free Christmas watch faces that I think you should download. As you know, Christmas is almost here. All right, you all, with that being said, let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Analog Blue Winter. This one is nice. I like what the developer did with this watch face. Now, this one here in the AOD mode, you are not going to get this look, but you will get your digital time, your date information as well. But when it's on, you got a nice big snowflake in the middle. I like this look. I like the design that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. You got a floating second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch as you look down at the bottom. You also get analog and digital, which means you get the blending of both worlds. Now, up at the top, I like the weather icon again, and you also get your date information. Now, I like the legible digital time. I do like the fact that we get our battery info, but what I like most is that the watch face is interactive, considering that it is free. So if I double tap on the weather icon, I can go into my weather, and I can do the same thing for my date information. I can go in and pull up my calendar if I can get it to go. It's kind of hard behind the camera. There you go. And also I can do the same thing down here with my date information, right, which will allow me to go in and set an alarm. So I thought this was pretty cool, right? But we're not done yet. Check this out. Now, if I double tap dead center, I could change the color theme. So depending on what you're wearing for that day, if you got your ugly Christmas sweater on, you can blend this color in to whatever outfit that you have on for the day. I thought this was nice, right? I thought it was a nice look. I thought it was worthy of a review. But again, you tell me. Hit me in the comment section down below because I would like to know. With that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Christmas Neon Wall. I thought this was a great look for an animated watch face, right? So in the AOD mode, you're just gonna get a simple digital time. But when the watch face is on, you're gonna get your time up at the top, your battery info. You come down, you are gonna get the day of the week and your date. Now, I do like the fact that it cycles through Merry Christmas and then it shows you Santa Claus and Rudolph. Not bad for a free watch face, right? Again, it is free for the taking. Check it out. Let's check out watch face number 3. Number 3 is called Blue Christmas Digital. Now, I like the look of this one. Again, it just puts you in the Christmas spirit. In the AOD mode, you are not going to get the Christmas tree in the background. You're pretty much just going to get a digital time down at the bottom. But once the watch face is on, you do get this nice Christmas tree. You get an analog theme along with this, which I thought was very nice. Date information to the left, your digital time down at the bottom. Not bad for a free watch face, right? Now, if I double tap on the date, I can pull up my calendar information, set an event if I so choose. If I double tap down here on the digital time, of course, I can set an alarm. But if I tap on the tree, I can change the color theme of the Christmas tree to a few different colors and all. And I thought this was nice for a free watch face. Question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 4. Watch face number 4. Now, number 4 is nice. Now, this one I like, right? It's only going to be free up until the 5th. All right, so make sure you download this one ASAP. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice gold digital time. This video is going to do this watch face justice, so you have to go check it out for yourself. Now, what you get is a star that's lit up by lights. You're going to get all the information that you need out of this watch face. Now, if you look down at the bottom, over to your right, you're going to get your step goal completed. Up at the top, you're going to get your battery info. Dead center, you get an AM, PM stamp along with a nice bold digital time. I do like the font of this one. Has animated seconds, and you're going to get your heart rate information. It's not interactive or anything like that, but if you like this watch face, download ASAP. All right, you all, let's check out last but not least, watch face number 5. All right, you all, watch face number 5 is called Merry Christmas Lite. Now, they have a paid version, right, which I think is pretty nice. And the paid version is going to give you things like alarms, going to allow you to tap into your weather, calendar, timer, battery, health information for those of you all who want to keep up with your steps. And you're going to be able to go into your heart rate. So I like this watch face. I thought the developer definitely did a really good job with this one. This is the Lite version, so it's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the same exact look. You're not going to get the animated background, which is expected, right? But when the watch face is on, I do like this festive look. I do like the animation of the snowfall in the background where you get the tree with the star on top. You're going to get your digital time also at the top. And you're going to also get your date of the week, and you also got your battery percentage down at the bottom. I do like this look where you have a house and a couple of trees in the background. Really brings the watch face out. Again, the developer did a good job with this Christmas watch face. But again, if you want the paid version, which offers more, then you're going to have to pay for it. But this one, it's going to be free for the taking. Download it ASAP. And that's going to be the end of the video, people. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you thought of this watch face review. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. Smash that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.